Azure Private Endpoint and Azure Private Link Service are both components of Azure Private Link, but they serve distinct purposes. An Azure Private Endpoint is a network interface that connects you privately and securely to Azure PaaS services like Azure SQL Database, Azure Storage, or other Azure services, or to customer-owned or partnered services. When you create a private endpoint, it's assign a private IP address from your virtual network, and this makes the Azure resource appear as if it is within your virtual network. Let's unpack how it works. Private endpoint enable direct access to a supported Azure service from within your virtual network without needing a public IP address. Because traffic flows through the Microsoft backbone network, the service can be isolated from the internet. This improves security. Private endpoints allow for fine-grained control and segmentation by limiting access to resources to a specific virtual network and support policies through network security groups. In short, Azure Private Endpoint is used to privately connect Azure PaaS resources to your virtual network. So only resources within the virtual network can access them without traversing the public internet. Azure Private Link Service is a capability within Private Link that allows you to expose your own Azure service, such as an application running on a virtual machine, to other customers or services privately. With Private Link Service, you act as the service provider and create a private link that consumers can use to connect to your service over a private endpoint within their own virtual network. To sum up, Private Endpoint is ideal for securely accessing Azure services within your own network, while Private Link Service is suitable if you need to publish your own services for private access by other Azure customers or virtual networks. Both are part of the Azure Private Link, which is designed to improve security by keeping traffic on the Azure backbone network instead of the internet.